Why is Russia's S-400, once its crown jewel, now increasingly dependent on Chinese manufacturing? A bombshell RUSI report reveals the S-400's production is no longer solely with Russia, but increasingly reliant on China for interceptors, radar refurbishment, and software. This marks a stunning reversal for Moscow's most advanced air defense network. The dependency stems from Russia's wartime industrial collapse. Sanctions and Ukraine attrition have severely strained production. Russia expends more interceptors than it produces, and 70% of its European, American, and Japanese machine tools will hit end of life by 2027. With limited spares and software access, Moscow has turned to Chinese suppliers for large-scale fabrication. China's role goes beyond simple components. Russia and China have jointly established research units to develop alternative semiconductors. Chinese vendors now openly advertise materials for Russian radar systems. The implications for India are alarming. India operates 5 S-400 regiments worth $5.5 billion. As Russia shifts supply chains to China, Beijing gains leverage over critical defense equipment. If tensions flare, China could pressure Moscow to deny S-400 support to India. The core question is whether this undermines Russian strategic autonomy. Watling concluded, more S-400 components have come under Chinese control, highlighting Russia's growing technological dependence. If Russia can't maintain its premier air defense without Chinese approval, has it traded sovereignty for survival? What do you think? Should Russia's S-400 reliance be seen as necessary adaptation to sanctions, or proof Moscow has become Beijing's junior partner? Drop your thoughts below.